Today, I will be showing you how to use Attack Move in Zero AD. Attack Move is very useful because it allows your units to automatically engage any enemies they encounter along the way. First, select either a single unit or multiple units at the same time. To select multiple units, you can left-click and drag your mouse to create a selection box that covers all the units you want to control. Once your units are selected, right-click on the enemy. You will notice a sword icon, which indicates that you are using the Attack Move command. After issuing the command, your units will move toward the target area and automatically attack any enemy units they see. This makes it easier to manage battles without having to control each unit individually. And that is how you use Attack Move in Zero AD. Thank you for watching!